UST Global is an innovation-led digital transformation services company. We've been supporting Fortune 500 and Global 1000 customers for the last 17 years with a single business model of fewer customers and more attention. CA Technologies' modern software factory is what I would call a wonderful tool set that's now enabling us to have those digital transformation conversations with our customers in transforming the entire company in moving from waterfall way of doing things to a more agile way of doing business. We loved being at CA World in Las Vegas last year, and we would love to come back there. The conversations that we had with our customers, the conversations we had with the CA team and the leadership team there was very, very, very powerful. It really opened up new thoughts in terms of how we can leverage the partnership, but also the conversations that we had with the customers helped us create a new pipeline that we are seriously pursuing. The last few months, with both CA Technology team and the UST team have worked together to create a big win with a Midwestern financial services firm where we have applied the CA UIM solution. We believe that's the kind of model that we need to take forward. And the conversations that I've had with the CA team over the last few months makes me feel comfortable that the focus that's being provided and the solution support that is being provided is going to help UST be more successful and our customers selecting more of CA's tools.